In roadway design, you'll need to handle a bunch of stuff like dealing with restrictions, meeting certain needs, and tackling smaller tasks like figuring out techniques, like how to manage traffic, handle utility relocations, get environmental permits, address drainage issues, and stay up to date with the latest regulations. You'll also need to work within a budget and stick to a schedule. At the same time, you have to take time for meetings, visiting construction site, sitting down in front of PC to draw layout, modeling, calculate, set up plan, CAD drafting, and a lot of more things. In this case, some of them you need to do by yourself, but some are not necessarily done by yourself, so why don't you think about outsourcing them? Outsourcing roadway design and CAD drafting services provider can help you. Our expertise in comprehensive roadway design solutions, we provide services for urban, rural, primary, secondary, and interstate roadways for clients ranging from municipalities and DOTs to private developers. We are well equipped to address any task related to roadway design, including interchange and intersection geometrics, utility relocations, retaining walls, and related features. Our civil engineering teams apply innovative designs to the delivery of long-term, sustainable solutions for the construction of new roads and streets in urban and rural environments, as well as widening and improving existing roads and highways. The scope of our expertise extends to conceptual studies, preliminary engineering, and detailed design of rural and urban highways, arterial streets, and neighborhood streets. Our engineers have extensive experience in transportation engineering, roadway design for both public and private sector clients. Our staff can provide design services for any size project, from widening projects to roundabouts to interchange designs. We are familiar with the experience and hands-on knowledge of DOT policies and procedures to assure the most effective solutions for projects. Our softwares for roadway design and drafting, we deliver design solutions using state-of-the-art design software, including AutoCAD 2D, Civil 3D, vehicle tracking, and InfraWorks. We can assist you in your roadway engineering projects, including the conversion of your PDF drawings to CAD drafting, detail sections, C3D modeling, and setup plan sheets. Our experienced and knowledgeable draftmans and engineers have proven to be an invaluable asset to clients. Roadway engineering and CAD drafting services. Our services include roadway and sidewalk designs, intersection improvement plans, parking lot design, paper to CAD conversion, road improvements, utility design, drainage design, erosion control, grading plans, section details, earthwork estimates, and quantities. Our team of engineers and drafters have experience in providing a full range of outsourcing CAD services, from planning and design implementation at unmatched level of flexibility. We listen to what our clients have to say, and we don't make promises that we cannot keep. We strive to exceed in project delivery through responsive communication, interactive processes, and a complete focus on the design. Trained by licensed professional engineers, our staff is well equipped with the latest design trends to assist you on all types of commercial, institutional, educational, and residential projects. CivilOutsourcing.com also provides utility design and CAD drafting for road designs. We are familiar with all requirements for site design, erosion, and sediment control plans. To ensure quality in our work, we have a checklist that needs to be signed by our engineers working on projects to make sure all items have been taken care before sending the final files to clients. Outsource your drafting for roadway engineering projects to CivilOutsourcing.com and take advantage of our experience. Should you have any questions or queries, let us know via email, contact@civiloutsourcing.com, or website, civiloutsourcing.com. Thanks for your watching.